Here we have an AM Manufacturing double row bagel line. New belts throughout. DC in feed, DC out feed for the former. Into a double row bagel forming line. And out onto a metal detector. Conveyor is 13 feet. New belts throughout. Motors on the divider. Controls have been moved to the top of this unit for easier access. Everything can be controlled from this one spot here. Here is our divider. In feed and out feed, again speed controlled here. Into our former. Directly onto our metal detector. I have that relay unplugged right now. I'm going to go ahead and plug that relay back in. It's going to run a balance cycle. And I have this random piece of metal from the ground. Through the metal detector. There's no rejection system on this, it's simply a detection system. This conveyor has a DC controller as well. Speed up or slow down as you wish. There you have it.